Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ramandeep and how are you all? Alright, so today's video is again a skincare video. You must be wondering why I'm doing so much of skincare videos, because I have started taking care of my skin, and there are few products which I have really liked, which has actually given a positive result on my skin. So that is the reason I wanted to share it with you guys, so that you would also be aware what are the products and how are they working. And yeah, actually I just wanted to share what all products I like with you all, and that is my job, right? All right, so yes guys, in today's video I would be talking about two products. I would be talking about this toner. This is from Pana Labs. This is glycolic acid facial toner. This is a general formula which improves the appearance and skin texture with a regular usage. So if you use this toner, basically I'll tell you about all the benefits of it once I'll show you the bottle. First of all, I'll show you the packaging. This is how the bottle looks like. It's a plastic bottle with a cap on it. All the details are mentioned on the bottle. This is how the bottle looks like. This is the back side of the bottle. This is actually 120 ml, and these are this is made in USA, and from Pana Labs, and yeah, this is how it looks like. And where it is available, I would be putting all the details in the description box below. You can check it out. So I really love this toner. Actually it was sent to me. I was very excited to try this one, because this is something which is which was really new in my skincare routine. So firstly I was little reluctant, something new, how can I use it? But I did a patch test first, and my skin was okay after patch test, and then I applied it all over my face, and I can see a visible difference on my face after using this toner. And it is said that if you would be using this toner regularly, it would certainly help you. So guys, I'll tell you how I use it basically. So this is the knob from where the product comes out. What I do is that I take the cotton, and I just pour few drops of this toner on my cotton, and this is how the product comes on this cotton basically. So what I do is that after washing my face, I just wash my face, and after washing my face thoroughly, and the fragrance is also very good. I like the fragrance also. After washing my face thoroughly, I take the toner and I apply it all over my face like this. I avoid the eyes area and the mouth area, and I apply it all over my face. Sometimes the dirt also comes out with the toner, and this is how actually the toner works. So yes, the toner is done, and I would be telling you few points about it, how this toner actually works on your skin. The benefits of this is actually this is glycolic acid 7% facial toner, a gentle toner with 7% concentration of glycolic acid, which evens the skin tone, hydrates and brightens with a regular usage. Now the benefits of it is it gently exfoliates and thereby reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This is clinically proven skin lightening benefits due to a marine active algo white in it. This one enhance the hydration. This is the anti-aging benefits. This one have anti-aging benefits, as it helps to make the skin looks younger. Active ingredients which are there in this is algo white. Basically what is algo white, I'll tell you. Actually a marine skin lightening which actively plays a key role in inhibition of triosinase, a This one is a key enzyme in melanogenesis. Now the extract from the seaweed lightens, gently exfoliates and provide anti-free radical protection against aging and appearance of the dark spots. Okay, it also have gluconolactone. This one is a polyhydroxy acid, PHA, which we call it actually. This one offers a mild exfoliation and humectant, thereby hydrating the skin. This one hydrates the skin. It also have ginseng root extract, which is having anti-aging benefits. It also have organic aloe vera. Aloe vera actually soothes and hydrates your skin. Also, it also has licorice root extract, that is actually widely used as a natural skin lightening ingredient. It has a chamomile lower oil, which is soothing and anti-inflammatory, which has soothing and anti-inflammatory properties as well. This one is made in USA. This is manufactured in FDA registered. All the details are given over here. This is not tested on animals. This is free from parabens, sulfates and alcohol. So basically this one is completely free from paraben, so which is really good thing, but it actually, there are some safety precautions which you should take if you are applying it. First of all, do a patch test, that like I have done. I did a patch test on this area and this area as well. It was fine. After 24-48 hours there was no problem on my skin. Then only after that I applied it on my face. So this has really worked well for my face, so that is the reason I wanted to share it with you guys, the benefits of this toner. It is really a very good toner. You must give it a try. And yeah, that's it. Basically the only caution which you have to take is that you don't have to go out in a sun without sunscreen after applying this toner. I'll tell you how. The AHAs have a tendency to increase skin sensitivity towards the sun. Hence, it is recommended that prior to exposure to sun, user cover the area where AHAs have been applied with the sunscreen. Now, contact of the product with the skin must be of limited frequency or duration. So basically, what I do is that I am using this basically in my nighttime routine, where I am not exposed to sun too much. Because if something is not working with the sun, we should not have it on the during the daytime. In fact, if you wanted to use in the daytime, you have to apply the sunscreen and then go out. Please don't apply it directly and go in the sunlight, because that is not recommended. It is written in the caution part of this bottle. So be careful regarding that. That is the only thing you have to be careful about. That's it. And yeah, basically I am using it during the evening or night time, when I am I'm going to bed and I want to sleep, then only I use this one. So I hope all the benefits are clear to you of this toner. Now the second product which I would like to share with you is this mask. I have received this mask basically with the toner. Actually, it's basically a gold collagen hydrogel mask. This hydrates the skin, give the radiance, luminosity and smoothness. This is one mask inside this cover. So let's go ahead and open it and apply it. For it, you have to clean your face thoroughly. Then you have to open the sachet, remove the mask and apply it. There are two parts inside it, the top and the bottom one, and then you have to apply it for 30 minutes. You have to sit for 30 minutes. Yes. And yeah, that's it. What it actually, how it is beneficial is, this is a new skincare solution from Gold Collagen. Its hydrogel mask has been developed for dehydrated, tired looking skin. The unique water soluble biometric mask encapsulates an advanced formula of moisturizing and regenerating ingredients. It is designed to support the skin natural renewal process for improved skin hydration, texture, and radiance. So this is what it claims. So I would be opening it and I would be showing you that I would be giving you the demo of it. I have opened it, what I feel, what are my views about it. So yeah, so the fragrance is really very good. The fragrance of toner is also really very nice. So this is how the mask is. Now let me open it up. It's dropping actually, so I'll just open this mask. So this is how the lower part is. Now I would be applying the above part because this actually gets slipped. Okay, so here we are. So I would be applying it for 30 minutes and then I would be giving you my feedback on it, and the rest of it I would be applying on my neck and all. So yes, see you after 30 minutes. Bye. Alright guys, so 30 minutes are gone. It is still actually liquidy. I don't know why. Okay, so it is still liquidy. So I have this mask now. I would be removing up this mask and I'll remove it like this. Okay, so very gently you have to remove it. I would be removing this part as well. Now I would be massaging this serum so that it should go inside, deeply inside my skin. I have applied it for 30 minutes. I would go ahead and just splash little water and come back and I'll tell you how am I feeling. Alright guys, so this is after removing the mask, and definitely my skin is feeling quite hydrated. More than hydration, it is I can feel that it is it's like like सूखी ज़मीन को जैसे पानी मिल जाता है, and it gets moisturized and it gets hydrated and it gets lively, and it actually rejuvenates your skin. I'm actually feeling really very nice after applying this face mask. I really like this one. So if you are interested, all the links would be down below. And I would be able to apply it only once, because it is only one mask which I have received. But I can certainly, tell you that my skin is really feeling very moisturized and hydrated, and actually, it has improved the hydration of my skin. So yes guys, this was the review of these two products from Pana Labs. I really love them. I would like to recommend you both the products, but yes, you have to take care of all the cautions of using this toner, because please do the patch test. And yeah, that's it. Nothing fancy, nothing extra you have to do. You just have to be little bit careful. Alright, so I'll see you soon in my next video guys. This was it, and I hope you have liked the review of both the products. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till my next video, you all take care. Bye.